What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break, and now we're getting ready to do our first Chase the Grace Jersey Edition break. It is our high-end series. This is our second series, mostly high-end jerseys. We got 20 chasers. We got about another 10 high-end jerseys that's thrown in there, and the rest are all premium, nice jersey as well. So it's going to be a good one. No one's going to go home disappointed, I don't think, hitting the jersey here. They're all pretty nice. We are live. Good luck. Only 28 spots, only 28 teams in this one. We got 3 left off the list completely. It is just turned 9:22. Here's your list. Dale, down to Dale, and Anaheim to Winnipeg. Your teams are missing are Carolina, Minnesota, and Ottawa. So there's your teams that's missing. Again, 9:22. Let's start with the teams, guys. Good luck. 1. This one is live in about an hour's time. 2, 3. Timestamp on 3 and 4 always. Oh, I only got 27 teams here, guys. Give me a second. I messed something up. Try this again. Oh, I forgot to put Vegas in there. That's exactly what it was. Alright, my bad there, folks. Let me get this fixed for you. Lucky I didn't put a notice before I got there. Vegas. We're going to put Vegas right here. Right before LA. Alright, there's your teams. So let's try this again. My bad there. 1, 2, 28 teams, like I said. 2, 3, finally. Wow, come on. Third time stamp. Third time stamp says 9:23, 9:23. Last and final on the teams, and then we'll copy them over. Fourth time stamp there. 9:23 and 9:23 it is. Vegas, top spot. Calgary, the halfway mark. And then we got Florida down to San Jose. There's your teams. Let's do some names to match them up with. Again, it is 9:23. Good luck, guys. Got a couple first-time breakers with us tonight, so welcome aboard. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 9:23. Just turned 9:24. Last and final on the names. We'll do it, and then we'll paste those over as well. Okay, fourth timestamp. 9:24 and 9:24. Brian, top spot to Justin at the halfway mark. And then we got Kevin down to Ryan on the bottom of the list. Here are your teams. We will post them in the comments. We'll see you in about an hour for this one, guys. Good luck, and thanks for joining us.